Wait, hang on. Can I pour this in there? Who is using liquid they don't need? Because this is gonna go swimming. No, I'm gonna eat it! Andy, did you like inhale this?
Don't make fun of me. Just smile.
I got food in my mouth.
Oh, try a little bit faster. Don't take a picture of me.
I'm not taking a picture of my mind.
Are you recording?
And in camera. It's like a security camera.
It's recording.
What?
Go, shove the whole thing in your mouth. And eat like a pig. Yeah. Come on.
No, it's me, let me eat.
You know what's happening right now?
Video. On my fingertips is quite orgasmic.
Does it have sound?
You have to talk louder.
I like it when the red water comes out.
Oh, Timothy, you taste like soot and poo. Did you ever watch episode 7? And he was like, oh, it looks like Patrick has come back from the Great War. Come have dinner, Patrick. And the figure puppy gets jealous. And he's like, Patrick, you do make my insides churn. Do you mind if I spend the night with you, Patrick?
Yeah, I noticed.